Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to make a simple weather station using the 8051 microcontroller and a DHT11 sensor. In this circuit, you can see a 11 MHz crystal oscillator connected to the XTL1 and XTL2 pins of the 889S52 microcontroller. Two 220 picofarad ceramic disc capacitors are connected between ground and each pin of the 11 MHz crystal oscillator. A push switch with a 10 kilo ohm pull down resistor is connected to the reset pin of the 8089S52 microcontroller. The external access enable pin is connected to VCC. The P2.0 pin of the 8089S52 microcontroller is connected to the STA pin of the 16x2 LCD, and the P2.1 pin of the 8089S52 microcontroller is connected to the SCL pin of the 16x2 LCD. The data output pin of the DHT11 sensor module is connected to the P2.2 pin of the 8089S52 microcontroller. Now we will use a Arduino Uno board as a ISP programmer to upload embedded C code to the 8051 microcontroller. If you do not know how to use a Arduino Uno board as a ISP programmer, then you can watch our tutorial by clicking the I button. Connect the Arduino Uno board's digital pins to the 8089S52 microcontroller pins according to the table. Now connect the Arduino Uno board to the PC using a USB cable. After connecting, upload the code to the 8089S52 microcontroller using AVR Dude. If you do not know how to upload code to the 8051 microcontroller using AVR Dude, then you can watch our tutorial from the link provided in the description. Now you can see the values of the humidity and temperature on the 16x2 LCD. When I move a fire stick close to the DHT11 sensor module, then the values change.